In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Copilot AI on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed, signed in, and ready to chat, all in just a few minutes. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. For a smooth install, make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is usually fastest, and that you have a bit of free storage space. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Copilot. You're looking for the official app from Microsoft Corporation. Checking the publisher helps ensure you download the genuine app. When you find it, then tap Install. The download may take a moment depending on your connection, and you'll see a progress indicator while it installs. Once the button changes to Open, go ahead and tap Open to launch the app. On the welcome screen, look to the top right and tap Sign In. You'll be given a choice to continue with a Microsoft account or with your Google account. Pick the option you prefer. If you use a Microsoft account, follow the prompts to sign in with that account. If you choose Google, select the correct Google account already on your device and approve the sign-in. Make sure you pick the account you want associated with Copilot, especially if you use multiple accounts on the same phone. You may be asked to review basic permissions or terms. Read through them and tap Allow or Continue where appropriate so the app can function properly. After that, you'll be signed in and ready to go. Now you can chat with Microsoft Copilot. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a message box where you can type your question or prompt and send it. Keep your requests clear and specific. Context helps Copilot give better answers. You can start with something simple, like asking for a quick explanation, drafting a short message, or brainstorming ideas. If voice input is available and you prefer speaking, you can use that too. If the app doesn't appear in your Play Store search, try updating the Play Store app, double-check your spelling, or make sure your device software is up to date. Also, if the install stalls, pausing and resuming your Wi-Fi or restarting your phone often resolves it. And that's it. You've installed the Microsoft Copilot app, signed in with your chosen account, and you're ready to chat. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Copilot can do on your Android device.